glasses still a little foggy after wiping? In this video, we're going to show you how to make your own DIY homemade eyeglass cleaner using rubbing alcohol. First, start with a small 2-ounce spray bottle. You want to fill it with about 3 parts water and 1 part rubbing alcohol. Lastly, add about 3 to 4 drops of mild dish soap. Replace cap and make sure you give it a good shake before each use. Spray the solution directly onto your lenses and wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. Not only a homemade eyeglass cleaner but also an anti-fog solution. Just keep in mind rubbing alcohol is caustic and using too frequently could slowly wear any special coatings on your lenses. So we recommend using this once a week. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.